Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And today, a letter has been sent to Microsoft by the Browser Alliance group that says, enough is enough with the browser battle and the way Microsoft is dealing with all of this. And they are saying that there's, too many things that Microsoft does that is unfair and makes the use of other browsers, problematic because trying to install anything else than Microsoft Edge is a problem. And the links also, when you install the browser, when you, for example, use Google Chrome, even when you make it default, it doesn't default everywhere all the time. So the Browser Alliance says that's enough, and a great example is my default browser has changed from time to time to other browsers, and I have noticed that, for example, if you go to the Settings app, some of the links inside the Settings app, especially when you have, like, for example, here, Help with Windows Update, you've got these little blue links here. These, even when you have a default browser, often open up with Microsoft Edge anyways. So this just tells you that Microsoft isn't really playing fair. So they want Microsoft to stop, the false promotion. They want Microsoft to stop doing, asking manufacturers to just leave Edge and don't install any other browsers. Stop the fact that it's so difficult to really link your default browser to everything that it should link to. So it's really kind of different companies that are making browsers just gathering together and saying to Microsoft, look, this is unacceptable. Leave the user choice. If the user doesn't want to have Edge and wants to have something else, well, make it easy for the user to have that browser, and that browser becomes default. So we'll see what that changes, if it changes anything in the near future. But it seems that a lot of companies making browsers are kind of mad at Microsoft right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.